experience, so they will aware about some uh, MCB, MPCB, some at least have the some technical flavor. That's why I started with some different manner. Okay, so let's 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 check this slide. Okay, the fee rule means, okay, the first point is the fee rule. Okay, fee rule means the wire number. Okay, those are from maintenance, though that people will get this, what is a fee rule. Okay, so I have taken this key point for the differentiation. In AutoCAD you will have some, you will have very limited functionality for the generating this wire number, but in ePlan you will have very customizing operation. Okay, even you will have the number of combinations. Okay, in ePlan you can generate wire numbering according to your requirement, but in AutoCAD you have very l- very less limitation, what we say, like you will have very less number of parameters, attributes. Okay, and the values. So I will show you one example in our uh, okay, can you see my screen? Here I have just I just want to show you some schematic, what is the mean by fee rule. Can you see my screen? Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
L1, N1, P1, this is a customized ferruling scheme. Okay, like when we start some panel wiring, we'll start with some bus bar or directly with the termination. Those who are experienced, they will aware about that one, but those are not, will cover that one. Okay, Pawan, I will help you in that case. Okay, let's consider you have this terminal. So have you observed one thing? You have this number as L and P, but it's changing after one device as a L1 N1. Why this numbering is changing? What are the criteria? What criteria you have defined under this condition? Okay, you can see here also. Here you can observe L2, N2, P. So how to prepare this customized ferruling? Okay, the wire number means ferruling. Okay, what we are using for some uh, wires. Okay, for wires. So this is called as a ferruling. Okay, this is a very simple in ePlan. You can, you have to do lot of practice. Okay, for this I will teach you from scratch how to prepare that schema, these schemes. So actually this called as a scheme. Okay, if you want to customize the ferruling scheme, okay, the wiring numbering, so I will teach you. This is a very simple in ePlan P8, but you have to do some practice for that. Okay, but in AutoCAD you have to very specific. Okay, very limitations, lot of limitation in AutoCAD, but in ePlan you don't have such a limitation like AutoCAD. Okay, in ePlan we have limitation, but not like AutoCAD. Okay, like similarly for the AutoCAD, while generating bill of material, BOM means bill of material. Okay, what I have told you that when you are preparing any schematic, while preparing any schematic you have to use a lot of devices like MCB, MPCB. For that point of view, what we have to prepare, some summary of bill of material. So in AutoCAD we have very limitation. Okay, but in ePlan you can customize. There are lot of way to preparing that bill of material. I will teach you. If you don't have those who have used ePlan P8, they are aware about the parts in ePlan. Okay, this is the only basic. Those who understand 1% also, it's okay for 4 days. Okay, after that we'll start with the actual tool. In that I will clear all the doubts. Okay, don't worry. So what I have said that the parts. Okay, the parts is itself in ePlan we have offline database, ePlan data portal also. That's the one of the best, one of the, what we say, one of the best feature in ePlan, but we don't have such feature in AutoCAD. Okay, the part database. Okay, from that part database you can generate number of report like a bill of material. Okay, so from that, if we don't have some such a database, I will teach you how to prepare. Still how to prepare that bill of material. Okay, so many people aware about that. If we have the part database, then and then only we can prepare bill of material. Not like that. In our class I will teach you, if you don't have the part database, still we can prepare all type of reports. I will teach you from the scratch, don't worry. Then next one is the library. Okay, in AutoCAD we have very less number of library. Library means we have the number of symbols in that. So as per country standard, we have the symbol, what we say, arrangement fashion. Okay, like Dean fashion, NEMA fashion, IEC. Okay, I will teach in, while we doing some schematic in ePlan, I will teach you how they are exactly look like. Okay, like in, if you take symbol from IEC library, you can see that symbol wiring flow will be from the top to the bottom. Okay, if you take that symbol from NFVA library, that symbol wiring flow will be from left to the right. Okay, might be people aware about those who have used AutoCAD, they're aware about that drawing fashion or schematic fashion. Then
Yes.
next one is the macro. Okay, someone is not muted. Okay, uh, the next topic is macro. Macro is a very important and what we say beneficial function in ePlan P8. Okay, so macro is just pin out detail and representation in schematic, but we have lot of features. Like if you have very small device, you can prepare in window macro. If you have quite bigger one, we can prepare in window macro. If we want to prepare schematic, okay, for whole machine or whole what we say assembly, we can prepare that schematic in page macro. Okay, for whole page we can use in recurring fashion. Okay, like today we have used some schematic like power wiring. Okay, dual starter, in that you have some switches. Okay, 10 number of switches you can use for further activity, same drawing. So for that we have macro function. Okay, so you can save particular drawing in some extension like EDB. Okay, not EDB. Okay, I will teach you. So from here you just understand that we have some pinout detail we can save as a macro in window macro, page macro. Okay, and later we can use for the further activity. Same drawing we can carry forward for other drawings also. Okay, so only as a pin out detail, not a whole detail, like what we say, the whole data like a dimensioning data you cannot assign in macro. Okay, weight, other technical, non-technical parameter you cannot assign in macro. For that we require part database or device. Okay, I will teach you how to understand that. Then next one is what I have covered in BOM also. The same fashion will applicable in a report. So BOM is a one type of report. Okay, so we have very limitation in AutoCAD and very limited report, but in ePlan we have 48 number of reports. Even you can customize, you can talk with the ePlan team, you will get that reports. Okay, even one of the best differentiation I would like to tell you, the structure related. For that I will take as a planning point of view. Okay, so you have the, you know, the any family hierarchy, that in family hierarchy you will find, you will always on the top will be the mother, father, then their children. Like that we have in ePlan as a ice template structure. But in AutoCAD you have that functioning like a template function, but very limited. From that point of view you will not understand any project, the planning point of view. But in ePlan P8 you will have that structure. I will just show you how it's look like that structure. Okay, actually I have one project with me. I will just show you that what is the exact planning point what I want to explain. Okay, just wait. I'm just opening that example. Okay, everyone got what I have covered in this small differentiation point. Okay, I will just
Yes,
open.
sir.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, I'm just talking about this structure. So from this point you got some little bit information about structure. You can see here you have some PLC panel drawing. Under that you can add small structure as a power wiring. Okay, after that you can add some pages. Okay, here in ePlan you will have this planning function we called as a template, actually structure identification. Okay, due to the this structure is created by structure identifier. In AutoCAD also you will have such uh, what we say uh, such functioning, but in ePlan you have a very systematic manner. You can have a identifiers. You can see here the plus one will called as a mounting location. I will cover this thing, don't worry. I just want to explain this differentiation. That's why I have taken, I have just opened this ePlan.